Animals, what and how they eat. In this lesson, why animals need food, food chain, how animals feed, protection and care of animals. Why animals need food. Have you seen a bird pecking at the ground with its beak? Have you seen a spider trapping an insect in its web? These animals are doing so because they need food. All animals need food to grow and live. They also need food to develop strength and gather energy to escape from their enemies. They move about in search of food. Some animals work for us, such as carrying loads and plowing our fields, or guarding our house. They need energy to do this work. They get energy from the food they eat. Animals get food from their surroundings. You must have often wondered what animals eat, and where they get their food from. Food chain. Food of all animals comes directly or indirectly from plants. Some animals eat plants. Some animals eat plant-eating animals. Some animals eat both plants and animals. Thus, animals need plants or plant-eating animals for their food. This forms a food chain. Thus, each food chain begins from plants. Animals are of three types depending on the food they eat: herbivores, carnivores and omnivores. Herbivores. Some animals like cow, deer, and elephant eat grass or green plants. They are known as herbivores. Carnivores. Some animals eat the flesh of other animals. They are known as carnivores. They do not eat plants. Lions, tigers, wolves, and crocodiles are some examples of carnivores. Omnivores. Some animals eat both plants and flesh of animals. They are called omnivores. Crows, dogs, rats, bears, etc. are omnivores. They feed on various plant parts and also get food from other animals in the form of milk, eggs and flesh. Human beings are also omnivores. Domestic animals. Domestic animals are very useful to us. We must give them proper food to keep them healthy and active. Some animals like cows, buffaloes and goats give us milk. We should feed them grass and oilseed which help them to produce more milk. We should feed energy-giving foods like fodder and oats to animals like horses, camels, elephants, donkeys, mules, oxen, etc., which carry load or work in the fields. How animals feed. Animals eat different kinds of food. They have different ways of eating food. The mouth and teeth of an animal suit to the kind of food it eats. Some animals swallow the food. Some animals like frogs, lizards and chameleons swallow their food. They have a long, sticky tongue. When they see an insect, they shoot out their tongue. The insect gets stuck to their tongue and then they swallow the insect. Snakes eat animals like frogs and birds. They also swallow their prey. These animals do not bite or chew their food. Some animals tear, chew and grind the flesh. Flesh-eating animals like lions, tigers, wild cats, foxes, and dogs have long, pointed and sharp teeth to tear the flesh. Their grinding teeth which are at the back of their mouth are also strong. This enables them to chew flesh and bones. Animals which gnaw food. Some animals like rats, squirrels, rabbits, etc. have very sharp front teeth, both in the upper and the lower jaw. These teeth help them to break open nuts, seeds, and other hard fruits they eat. These animals gnaw food, that is, they bite repeatedly into food before chewing it. Animals which chew cud. Grass-eating animals like cows, buffaloes and sheep first cut and bite grass and leaves with sharp, biting front teeth. They then swallow the food. Later on, they bring it back to their mouth and chew it. This is called chewing the cud. They have strong and broad back teeth to chew the food. Some animals suck their food. Some young ones of horse, cat, dog, cow, etc. suck the milk of their mother. Mosquitoes and leeches suck blood of human beings and other animals. Butterflies and bees suck nectar from flowers with the help of a long, Sucking tube. Feeding habits of some other animals. Elephants have long trunks which they use to tear off branches and leaves from trees. They also use their trunk to drink water and to take a shower. Some animals like dogs and cats lick water or milk with the help of their tongues. Lapping of food. Protection and care of animals. We must take care of both wild and domestic animals. We must not cut down trees as they are the homes of wild animals. Domestic animals help us in many ways. We must look after them well. We must give them clean water to drink. The vessels used to feed them must be clean. We should clean their shelters regularly. We should take the sick animal to a veterinary doctor for treatment.